Now, this knife is patterned after a Japanese style blade that was carried by samurai as their like ultimate backup concealed carry weapon. And it has a very long trailing edge that finishes up at a point that is right about in line with the top of the blade. So you have this real long graceful curve that you could use to cut whatever it is that you have to cut. But it gives you a lot of edge to introduce into whatever it is that you want to slice. It has the wave feature on top, which is this little hook, and that catches on your pocket as you pull it out, automatically opening the knife faster than any automatic or switchblade. It also has that thumb button on top, so you can open it with your thumb like a conventional knife. It's got a kind of a symmetric type of handle, very simple, very plain, very clean lines with a very deep cutout right here for safety. We call that the choil on a knife, so that your fingers don't slide forward and come up onto the blade if you ever had to really jam it into something hard. And G10 handles with a clip mounted on the back so that you can carry it comfortably in your pocket. It's not an overly big knife. It's ground on both sides in a V grind, and it has that see-through Emerson signature construction. And we have the standoffs, which you can see here in the back. Those have screws going in from the top and the bottom on both sides to give it a very strong, very rigid construction. And so this handle is excellent in the hand. You can hold it in a conventional grip with your thumb riding up here on that top of that wave. It's got some ridges called jimping that have been put in there, so you've got tactical feeling on that, or a tactile feeling. And it's just a really good knife, an excellent utility knife. It's small enough to be in your pocket and not cause you to lean over to one side. And just a great knife. I really like it. I like very clean designs. I really like the Japanese style blades. You can see all the tantos and everything I've made over the years. This one's got that long trailing point. It's an excellent knife. You'll enjoy it. It's the Emerson Kwaiken. You can find the link to this knife in the description down below.